Welcome viewers. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to hide specific drives in Windows 11. Whether you want to keep certain drives private or simply declutter your file explorer, hiding drives can be a very useful trick. So let's dive in. After logging to your Windows 11, you will see this desktop. On the taskbar, locate your file explorer. Click here. Here you will see this PC. Click here. I want to hide this drive E from my file explorer page of this PC. So to do this, go to run command by pressing Window and R button. Type here regedit, hit OK. Give user account control permissions. Yes. This will open up a registry editor window here. Now here, come to current user, open the tree. Now go to software, open this tree as well. Then go to Microsoft. Then locate Windows. Then locate current version. Under current version, then locate policies. After locating policies here, just do a right click, click on new and select here button key. Give it a name Explorer. Just hit outside, double click and then highlighting Explorer, right click, go to new and this time you have to choose dword 32-bit value. Give it a name no drives, hit outside and then double click. This will open up edit dword 32-bit value window. Under base, select decimal, and since we are hiding drive with letter E, I am choosing the value data as E. If suppose you want to hide a drive letter with A, you have to choose value data with decimal code as 1, for drive B as 2, for drive C as 4, similarly for drive D as 8, drive E as 16, drive F as 32, drive G with 64, drive H 128, and drive I by 256. I will provide all these decimal values in my description. So we are all good now. Just hit press OK. Now you can see the value for data has been inserted correctly with value 16. I can now close and do a restart. Once you have logged into your Windows, go and check your File Explorer. Now check this PC and you can see my drive letter with E is now hidden. To unhide back this drive, you just need to follow very simple step. Go back again to your registry editor with regedit command. Hit OK, click yes, and simply double click on this drive by following this path, the same path like we did earlier, and make the value of decimal as 0. Hit OK. Now you can see the value 16 is now changed to the value 0, and again you have to do the restart. So by doing that, in File Explorer page, the drive E will get unhide. Now, if you are going to be hiding and unhiding a drive on a regular basis, then you might have to follow all these steps going inside the registry each time. So I think it's going to be a pain for you. So how to reduce these pains? Let's see. Open your registry editor by again by using the same regedit command. Hit OK. Click yes. Come here in Explorer folder. Do a right click, and here instead of now going with new, you have to just click on export. I'm going to save this registry key on my desktop. So I'm just going to write, since this contains the value 0, it's going to unhide. So I'm writing unhide drive. Hit save. Now you can see this is now available as a quick shortcut to unhide the drive. And if you want to hide the drive, just double click here, select decimal and choose value 16 for drive letter E, hit OK. Again, come back to File Explorer, do the right click, click Export, choose the location desktop, and write here hide drive E and hit save. Now you can see I have both the registry shortcuts here. You can now click close this window for registry editor, and just if you want to unhide, just double click here, provide your permission. It will say, do you want to continue? Press yes, and you will see a success message like the key and values contained have been successfully added to the registry. Hit OK and then restart your computer. Similarly for hiding also. I hope you will find this trick very helpful. See you in my next video. Thank you and bye bye.